Hey guys, welcome to Phone Brother. And as you can see now, today we have a very unique and very special smartphone for you. And so this is the Redmagic Transformers Bumblebee edition. As you can see, whoa, most of the screen are full of Bumblebee element and Bumblebee designs, and also it's full of the yellow color, the main color of the Bumblebee. And the left is the books. It's a special design books. It's like the normal one. It's the size is not square or not rectangle. It's the Romas. Different, lots of different size. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 size. You have 6 size and different size. We can get different informations of the transformer, and we can get different Bumblebee element. Here is a bee, and here is Bumblebee helmet, and here the slogan more than meet the eye, and also here transformers element. So it's or even when we open it like this, we can get the transformers cartoon animations here. So you have a really special and unique design. And for the right part is another box we drag it from here. And now, so this is the stuff inside the big box, and also within this small box we can find the smartphone here. And before we check smartphone, we will let you know all the things and accessories inside this box, inside special edition phones. Here, so this is a cooler. It's a customized cooler, Bumblebee cooler. So Redmagic Transformers is also used the Bumblebee design. Also the charger, the cable, the authorized badge. Also here is another small package. Here is the special customized SIM card ejector, and also here you find the case, special design case, Bumblebee case, Bumblebee instructions of the cooler, of the user warranty card, and also they provide Redmagic and Transformer stickers for us. So yes, this is all the main stuff, all the stuff in this bag, in this package. And I will say they really do the good job for this special edition phones. All of the main accessories, even the papers, the user manuals are all deeply customized. It's make a good feelings of ceremony. It's really brought us into a world of the Transformers, and it's really provide a massive Transformers Bumblebee environment of us, and bring us into a new world, new feelings. And also even for the phone, and this time this model is based on the Redmagic 7S Pro. And the 7S Pro is also the latest and the highest specification model from Redmagic. And we can talk it on the several perspectives, the hardware and software. For the hardware, we can talk about battery, screen, camera, processor. And also for the software, we'll talk on the UI, the main UI, and the wallpaper, the icons of these special phones. So about hardwares. First, as we can see, for the back of this phone, it have the totally Bumblebee element, Bumblebee designed. We can only find the Redmagic here, and also we can find some basic information here, so we can talk it. So the battery, this time they have a 5000 battery, big battery, and also they provide GNA is a 165 fast charger. But for this one, it's only support maximum to 135 watts fast charging, and it's normally in 50 minutes. You can charge it from 0% to 100%. It's really fast and cool for this gaming phone. 5000, remember this. And also here ICE 10.0, so even it a back battery, and also even have a fast charger, but also they upgrade their cooling system. It have the latest ICE 10 cooling technology. As for as we get the information from their official release conference, we know that they have a new design and add more lines of the lines. So this of the motor, so it can get more wind pressure, and also can bring the temperature and the heat from the CPU more fast. And also this time they redesigned the back cover to cover it. The fan is here, so it can get less noise when you play games. So totally they call this is the ICE 10.0 cooling system. It's have an inside fan, and also the latest material, and also the different layers of cooling system. So this is the ICE 10.0 cooling system. And also for this one is the 20. So this information tells us that the fan can have a very high works efficiency. It have a 20 rotator speed within per minute. It's very fast. And we can find other information here, like the processor. And this time they use the Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 processor. This is most advanced processor in the market. Is a 4nm processor chip, and also it supports up to 3.2 GHz CPU, and also the GPU is enhanced 10% compared to last generation. And also this time they have the 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB ROM, and both the RAM support LPDDR5 and the ROM support UFS 3.1. So it's have the main three features for the processor, for the SoC. So there's no doubt it have the gets you the most fast speed experience for the gaming and for the videos for your daily life use. You can find the information here. Yes, the RAM and ROM, and also the Android version is 12, CPU Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1. So this is the information we can find here. And also here, this time they use the under-screen camera. Besides the under-screen camera, I will tell you that it have the under-screen ultrasonic fingerprint, and also for the screen, this time they use a 6.8-inch OLED UDC full display screen. It's support FHD plus resolution rate, and also it support 120 Hz refresh rate. It support DCI P3, and also you have the latest brightness adjustment technology, and also it support the LGS Eye Protect certificate as well. And also for another special one is that this one is have a very special features. It supports the heart rate detection function. detecting do not move your fingerprint. Yes, I can show you the how the heart rate detection works. 3 to 1 second. Okay, so now we get the data's. Note the evaluation result based on the resting heart rate. So this is my current heart rate. It's 90 beats per minute. So it's easy to get to detect our heart beating through the very nice screen. Yeah, so this is about the screen part, and also about the camera one. At this time, the camera is not one of the best, but also is a decent camera system they provide. It have a 64 megapixel main camera, and also it have a 2 megapixel macro lens and 8 megapixel wide angle. So here it support 10 times zoom performance. You can find it can, yes, we can get the details. We will use the zoom performance. And also for the wide angle, yes, so this is the normal mode, and this is the wide angle, and also this is the 10 times performance. And also I'm going to show you the front camera. This time the front camera is a 60 megapixel front camera, and they use the on the screen camera. So here let's take a sample as well. Here let's try to adjust the angle, and now we can find the camera is here. It's on the screen in this part, in this place. Yes, normal angle we cannot find it. This one, in this angle we can find it. Yes, so this is the front camera, and also I'll show you the macro lens. We put a knockboard here. So here I put a bone node here, and we can get and we can find the pro camera friendly, and yes, so this is the macro. Yes, so this time they have two. Whoa, so nice. They provide two windows here, and now we can test the macro lens. Okay, so we just take some pictures about use the macro lens. Shoot on Redmagic 7S Pro powered by Nubia. Yes, this is the macro lens pictures. And also here, this is the front camera pictures. It's not so bad, but not so good as I think. It's so. For this one, for front one, it's not so good. We cannot get because here I use my smartphone. It's a circle camera here, so camera here we cannot find it through this front picture, self picture. And also for this is the 10 times zoom performance is so. And also this is the wide angle normal mode. So the camera is so. It's not so good, but actually it can meet most of the daily life use. It also have a very high specification on the camera part. Yes, so this, I think this will be the very simple test on this model, the Redmagic 7S Pro Bumblebee edition. And I hope you like this phone. For me, it's one of the best and one of the coolest, the most hardcore smartphone in the market I can find now. Personally, I like it, and I hope you like it as well. You can check and find more details on the official website. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.